At Neogen Haywood, home of Neogen Culture Media, we manufacture an ever-expanding range of pre-poured agar plates to detect a wide variety of pathogens and spoilage organisms, including Listeria, Salmonella, Legionella. This is our ISO Class 7 clean room and houses our M4000 automated plate pouring equipment. Our equipment has the ability to make in excess of 4,000 plates per hour. Plates are manufactured through 6 lanes, ensuring a constant supply. Plates are filled and moved along the line to be dried and labelled. The plates are labelled with a product code, lot number, time of manufacture, and expiry date. This provides traceability to the previously QC-tested dehydrated culture media used through our system. The plates are stacked and moved along for packaging. Film wrapping is used to minimise moisture loss and optimise the life of the product. Plates are then boxed and stored in our large refrigerator before they are ready to be shipped. Our pre-poured plates are all QC tested under Neogen's UKAS accreditation. Our media is first tested as dehydrated culture media, and again after the plates are poured. Therefore, they are tested twice to make sure that they go beyond the industry's high standards.